Oke, next kita ke chapter 3.
Chapter 3 Software for System. Di, di chapter 3 ini, bagian 3 ini, kita akan coba mengidentifikasi the four category of application software, differentiation among the 7 forms of which software is available, explain how the operation system and utility program work with application software, describe characteristic of a user interface, identify the key feature of the user business program. Identify itu berarti untuk multimedia program. Identifikasi application software consists of program designed to make user more productive and or assist with personal tasks, to make business activities more efficient, to assist with graphic and multimedia project, to support home, personal, and education tasks, to facilitate communication. Ini adalah contoh-contoh software, aplikasi software. Kalau dibilang bisnis itu ada office profesional, di bidang grafik dan multimedia itu Adobe, Photoshop, dan di bidang home, personal, dan education ada Photoshop Pro Photo. Dan untuk sebagian contohnya ada juga web browser, email, instant messaging, chat room, communication, available in a variety of forms: package software, custom software, web application, open source software, shareware, freeware, public domain software. System software serves as the interface between the user, the application software, and the computer hardware, utility program. Next. This software business is application software that assists people with performing business activity. Jadi aplikasi software bisnis itu adalah sebuah software aplikasi yang khusus untuk aktivitas bisnis. Ada word processing, spreadsheet, database, presentation, note taking, personal information manager, business software for phone, business software suite, project management, accounting, document management, enterprise computing software. Word processing software allow user to create and manipulate document. Clip art is a collection of electronic drawing, video, photo, and other image. Jadi software pemrosesan kata atau Word mengizinkan kita sebagai pemakai untuk membuat dan memanipulasi sebuah dokumen. Additional word processing feature include autocorrect, auto-format, collaboration, column, grammar checker, in input, macros, merge, reading layout, reset, set and replace, smart text table, template, thesaurus, tracking chain, voice recognition, web page development. Developing a document. Enter text and number, insert image, perform other tasks, create a document, edit a document, make change to existing content, inserting, deleting, cutting, copying, and pasting. Format a document. Change reference, font concise. Explicit software allow user to organize data in row and column and perform calculation. A function predefinite formula can perform common calculation. Charting the grid data in a spreadsheet in graphical form. A database is a collection of data organized in a manner that allows access, retrieval, and use of that data. Database software allow user to create, access, and manage a database. Database ini jadi ada koleksi dari data yang terorganisir yang memerlukan akses untuk menggunakan data tersebut. Sebuah database software database mengizinkan kita untuk membuat database, mengakses database, dan memanajemen database. Presentation software allow user to create visual aids for presentation to communication aids, message, and other information to a group. Software presentasi itu kita gunakan untuk menjabarkan atau mempresentasikan sebuah program atau materi atau hasil kerja kepada pendengar. Ini adalah contoh dari presentasi program. Kalau kita lihat tampilannya sepertinya Office, menggunakan Office. Note-taking software is application software that enable user to enter different text, handwritten comment, drawing, or sketches anywhere on a page. Jadi note-taking software ini adalah software catatan, pembuat catatan, adalah sebuah aplikasi, software aplikasi yang memungkinkan kita untuk menulis teks, menulis tangan, menggambar, atau membuat sketsa dimanapun di dalam halaman. A software suite is a collection of individual programs available together as a unit. A personal information manager (PIM) is application software that include appointment calendar, address book, notepad. Scaled-down versions of software are available to work with smartphone and other mobile devices. Versi yang lebih kecil dari software juga tersedia untuk smartphone atau mobile device seperti Android, iPhone, dan juga BlackBerry. Next, enterprise typically requires special computing solution for various functional units: human resource, accounting, engineering, manufacturing, marketing, sales, distribution, customer service, dan information technology. Computer, either design, CAD software, desktop publishing software, pen or image editing software. Professional photo editing software, video and audio editing software, multimedia authoring software. Ini gambaran UI ya, user interface dari sebuah media cell video converter sebuah software multimedia untuk mengubah format video. Berlanjut ke grafik dan multimedia software. Webpack authoring software help user of all skill level create webpack that include multimedia and interactive content. Software for home, personal, and education use. Personal financial software, legal software, tax preparation software. Personal DTP software, personal pay or image editing software, personal photo editing software. Clip art or image gallery, video and audio editing software, home design landscaping software, travel and mapping software, reference software, education software, entertainment software. Web application is a website that allows users to access and interact with software from any computer or device that is connected to the internet. Ini adalah contoh gambar dari aplikasi web. Application software for communication, web browser, email, instant messaging, chat room, text, picture, video messaging, SSS aggregator, login, newsgroup music box, FTP, KWLP, video conferencing. Jadi beberapa contoh ya dari software aplikasi yang kita gunakan untuk berkomunikasi. Itu ada email, instant messaging, multimedia messaging, video conferencing, learning tool for application software. Online help is the electronic equivalent of the user manual. You can ask a question or access the help topic in subject or alphabetical order. Learning tool for application software. Web-based service providers update and more comprehensive resources to respond to technical issues about software. Web-based training is a type of CBT that use internet technology and consists of application software on the web. Summary. Jadi di chapter ketiga tadi kita sudah sama-sama mencoba memahami bagaimana memulai dan berinteraksi dengan aplikasi software, overview of variety of business software, graphic and multimedia software, and home or personal or education software, web application and application software for communication, learning tool for application software, and web-based training. Chapter 3 selesai.